Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new user on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to proceed to type in Settings. The best match should say Settings right above Trusted Microsoft Store App. You want to left click on that one time to open up a screen that looks like this. Now you want to left click on the Accounts tile. Now you want to left click on the left side here that says Family and Other People. Underneath Other People, left click inside the box or area that says Add Someone Else to this PC. So at this point, if you do not want to use a Microsoft account, you can just left click I don't have this person sign in information. This will allow you to create a local account on your computer by left clicking on add a user without a Microsoft account. If you want to make a Microsoft linked account, you're more than welcome to, but most people will probably want to make a local account here. So you can name this whatever you want. And then if you want to enter a password, you can. You don't necessarily need to enter in a password here. So I'm just going to left click on next once I'm done. And you can see the other account has been created here. And by left clicking on change account type, you can also change it from a standard user to an administrator if you choose to do so. So pretty neat. And that's about it, guys, for this tutorial. And I do hope this was able to help you out. And I look forward to catching you all in the next video. Goodbye.